Mommy, I hope you live for a very long time and I hope you always stay healthy. Thank you for the pasalubong you always give when you go to Manila, Isabella Iri.
Yeah.
Okay, my name is Carmen Bisawak and I'm from Quezon, Baguio City. And first, I would like to give a message to my beautiful Lola, Herminia Mananang. Happy birthday, my beloved mommy. You are so pretty, so beautiful, and so kind. Yay!
Do you have any message to mommy?
Yes, I have a message for her. Yes, mommy, thank you, mommy. Yeah, for all your sacrifices, mommy. Because even though we're not there to say I love you or thank you, mommy, we will always appreciate you, mommy. And I hope that, mommy, you will live a very, very long life. Be healthy. Yes. Thank you, mommy. That's all, mommy. I love you, mommy. I remember the very, very special day when we went to SM and then we went to Watson's because you said that I will pick out everything that I like, and then I also helped you that time to buy your own lipstick, right, mommy? I wonder where's that lipstick now if you're still using it, mommy. If you're not, give it to me. Yeah. Oh, napasan. Okay na. Okay.
Okay. To my, to my birthday twin. Yeah. It's already 12 o'clock. So,
Happy birthday, mommy!
okay. So, it's already December 24 na. Okay. Ano ba? Ilang taon na siya ulit? 65? You're nearly 70. And then, ano pang pwedeng message? Hindi ako makaisip. Ano ba yan? It's always the same. Always stay healthy. Then always drink your medicines. Your maintenance para hindi laging tumataas ang BP. And then, just, ano na yun? Maging happy lang always, not stressed. Para happy ang life, happy ang family. Okay, and then what else? I just want to say thank you kasi ever since bata kami nila Manong, nila Subina, tapos ni Celestine, you're always buying the things that we want. Hindi lang tuwing Christmas, New Year, or special events, pero every time we went or we go somewhere, you always buy something we want. If we would ask it from you, and cut mo na lang yung mga boss. Ano pa ba? Shoot lang. Mind block ako, wait. Ano? They always say na, ano na yun? Lucky yung birthday natin kasi it's the day before the birthday of Jesus. Pero sa akin, it's lucky for me kasi I'm able to celebrate my birthday with you, December 24 also. And ayun, it's also a special day for me naman also, always. Kasi I get to spend it every time with you. And I hope to spend more birthdays with you then. And yeah, always stay happy, stay healthy. That's it. Ang kami magbagak.
Hello, mami nga kapintasan, nga kagagutan. Happy birthday kinyam, happy 65th birthday kinyam. Nighty tissue nga pagkwamplay niya mo, kagsang-sangay kita ta. May message, of course, for you to be, hand ka nga, di message ko kanya, mami kat, hand ka kumagsaksakit, malay na yun ang paitibiyag mo, kan masubaybayan pa iti pagdakkel ko kundi pagdakkel ti kakapsat ko kan di pa yan timan nga may baga nga may express nga gusto ti kahit kung may baga mami kinyam nga no may ibagak man iti iti sentence lang, you are the best lola nga intad ni Apo Diyos kinyak kan kinyami amin. Merry Christmas mat lang kita gaya mami na of course Happy New Year. We love you all, of course. Di lang. Bye-bye.